it's Heidi here with Kiddos Corral, and today we are doing a cook with me video. I haven't done a cook with me video in forever, but basically it's not a cook with me, it's a bake with me, more like bake with us. And we are baking a lot of yummy stuff this week, and I'm doing it with my very handsome husband, Ronnie Lee.
Well, I'll tell you what, that was my first time. That's my first time in a long time in the kitchen. But I tell you what, yesterday we made some banana bread, and I'm telling you what, it was so good.
Yes, and if you guys are interested in the recipes, it will be listed down below. The only thing that we did different was add a cup of chopped pecans to the mix. Other than that, everything else was done the same. I absolutely love that banana nut recipe because it is a very moist, very sweet bread, and it seems like the longer it sits, the sweeter and the more really delicious it gets. It's great with butter, without butter. Okay, Ronnie, time for the flour.
Time for the flour? Well,
Yep.
I'll tell you what, honey, we are going
you do
to, yeah, we can sure do it. I'm going to make sure we got
just dump it right in there on the top. There you go.
Now, good? Make sure.
Now I'm going to measure you out one more cup, and then you're going to put that in, and then I'm going to have you mix it again.
Well, that sounds good, baby. I think we are going to have some very good
banana bread.
Banana bread over here by the time I'm done with it.
All right, here's the other one.
Okay, so we are here. But I'm going to put this at a cup.
Put it right on top, right where you put that one. There you go.
Make sure it's all in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
You need anything else, or you want me?
No, I just want you to go ahead and start mixing.
Okay, here we go, baby.
Hold on to the bowl. Oh,
okay.
Slow it down.
It is slow.
Okay, is that the slowest?
Yes.
All right, because flour is going bonkers here. Okay, now I got him greasing the pans up.
Oh yeah, and it's we're greasing her up good, baby.
Yeah, you're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Now, do you want nuts in your bread?
Yes.
Okay, let me go find some. All right, now we're putting a cup of pecans in there. There you go. Got them in.
That it?
Now all you gotta do is take your spatula and just, not too hard. There you go. You just want them covered because, you know, you don't have to, it's already all mixed. You're just incorporating the pecans in the batter. That looks good. That looks real good. Okay, we got it all mixed up. This is going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And the complete recipe, I'll link that video down in the description box. You ready to put this in the oven?
I'm very ready, baby.
All right. I just want to encourage you guys that in this time that, you know, is kind of gloomy. Christmas may not necessarily be what it usually is. Like him and I, we started a tradition last year of going and seeing these lights with our really good friends down the street. And this year we're not able to do that. But what we decided to do is we were going to make the very best out of the situation that we're in, and so we did some baking together. The next thing, and we hadn't even talked about the cookies, we made sugar cookie dough. And if you're interested in that recipe, I'll link it down below. I personally cannot take credit for it. I would love to, because I find that it is the best sugar cookie as far as the type that you roll out and cut out. So if you have a husband or a boyfriend or girlfriend or children, this is a great activity to roll it out and use all kinds of festive cookie cutters. We didn't have any festive cookie cutters, but we used a glass, and we used some really pretty like green colored sugar, and it just made it really sparkly and so pretty, and we definitely going to enjoy those cookies with coffee. Okay, we're in the kitchen, and you probably can hear the TV. I apologize. But Ronnie and I are going to make our cookie dough, and we're going to actually make it tonight, put it in the refrigerator, and make it tomorrow.
Oh yes,
cookies
we're
tomorrow.
just we're getting early. We're just getting it started.
That's right. So
We're doing cookie
I've got my
preparation.
vanilla extract and my eggs here and my butter, and we're going to get flour and sugar, and all of the ingredients that you're going to need will be listed down below. So, are you ready?
I'm more than ready,
Okay.
baby.
All right. So we're starting with 4 eggs. And then we're going to add in, now we are doubling this recipe, so for one recipe, it's 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. All right, so we've already added our butter, and you're going to go ahead and blend it. Can you shut the...
I can shut this.
Okay.
And
reach up here, like I showed you, and pull that down.
And then we're going to lock it. We're going to lock
Yep.
it. And...
Yep, exactly. So we're going to let that blend, and I'm going to watch it. And then we're going to add in, as it is mixing, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Of course, it'd be 1 teaspoon, I think, for the regular. But if you add a little bit extra, you're not hurting anything. I don't know about you, but I love vanilla extract.
Let's add a little extra.
Okay. Now we are mixing the vanilla in there.
And we even upping the speed on it.
Yeah, we did. He's a typical man, guys. If there's a gadget to play with, he's all for it.
I love this thing, baby.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Now we're going to get the sugar and the flour going, and we're going to get everything that we need together, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're adding in the baking powder. Go ahead and add that in. Okay, and we already added in the salt. And then I'm going to get you the sugar here in a second. And then you can add that in there.
Oh, yeah. Now, baby, we are going to add the sugar. And we got a whole big thing of it. And we just...
Yep,
we're
going to dump it in there.
We let all of it. We make sure that's in there. There we go.
All right, babe. Okay, so now we got the flour in there. That's only 3 cups. Because we're doubling it, we have to put 3 more. But I'm going to go ahead and let Ronnie mix this up. I love your fingers, honey. No, you don't want to start your speed really high or you will get a floured face.
But we may go to number 2.
No, we won't.
I'm dying to go to number 2.
He's dying to drive this thing the wrong way. Okay, you can turn it up 1.
Just 1, yeah.
Okay, I'm holding the camera. Don't knock me now. There you go. Okay.
I mean, we want our good mix. Now see, that ain't spliced.
Okay, that's good. I'm going to get you 3
the rest of the flour in, and now we are getting ready to mix some more. So we're going to drop this thing down. We're going to lock it, and we are going to...
Slow.
Slow?
Yes, don't turn it up yet. Trust me. Now we're going to take this dough and we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator, and we will see you all tomorrow when we have some fun tomorrow.
That's right.
Our dough gonna go in the fridge. It's not green, that's just green cellophane. Me back to my childhood when you used to make those sugar cookies with your mom and then you would leave them out for Santa. It was a really big deal and a big tradition.
Well, when I was going to school, honey, when I was little, I used to make cookies.
Oh, yeah?
Only thing was I used to eat the product before it got done.
Yeah, well, you still do. He We ate a lot of dough, guys, a lot of dough. You really
It makes me a doughy type of guy.
Yeah, you're a doughy kind of guy. But anyways, we want to encourage you guys to get with somebody that you care for and bake with them. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. And you know what? I had a good time with you, sweetheart.
I've had a wonderful time.
We want to thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. And let me know that you like this content. And Ronnie and I will do more baking for you guys if I get a lot of likes.
And if you ring that bell, remember, if you ring the bell, you're definitely going to get the alert. So we just want to encourage you, ring that bell. You will most assuredly get the alerts for when the new ones come out.
Right, you'll definitely get the notification. And also, remember, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Friday, every Friday, until the Friday after Christmas, I will be bringing you week-to-week Vlogmas videos. And I hope you guys are enjoying, and we hope you have a fantastic week. And we'll be talking to you guys again soon. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Love you too, baby.